It's a great option for someone who's wanting to help improve their body shape or composition. ageLOC R Squared focuses on expression science. It provides a blend of ingredients in R Squared Day that give targeted support for cellular energy, and a separate blend of ingredients in R Squared Night that give targeted support for cellular purification. Now, ageLOC Y-Span actually focuses on 3 areas: antioxidant science, youthspan science, and gene expression science. It provides a unique blend of ingredients that influence multiple aging defense mechanisms to provide broad-spectrum nutritional benefits. The result is systemic foundational support for healthy youthspan. And our last example is ageLOC Reset. ageLOC Reset areas as well: antioxidant science, sources of aging, and microbiome science. Its unique blend of anthocyanins helps support your body's internal biochemical processes. Anthocyanins are antioxidants, so they also help improve our antioxidant defense system, and they help provide a healthy balance of good and bad bacteria in the gut. That's where microbiome science fits in. So you can see that each of these products brings something unique to the table, and together they form a portfolio of products that really helps you customize what you want to support. How do we choose what products to take? While it's perfectly safe to take all of these products at the same time, you can also mix and match based on your individual needs. Here are a few sample questions that you can ask yourself to figure.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. So am I coming in loud and clear? So today we're going to discuss all about Pharmanex, the Prism, and then later on inviting and how to become brand rep and make your first million. So congratulations for being here. So I apologize in advance, a little bit under the weather. Ako yung huling nahawa dito sa bahay, pero hopefully pagkatapos uminom ng Pharmanex products, mawala na rin ang aking ubo at sipon. So what are the effects of poor nutrition? So bakit natin yan i-discuss? So important to know how our Pharmanex products can help other people. Do you want a business like that? A business that can help other people and in return makes you money? Ay, yan, sige. Wait. Hindi ko pala na co-host. Pero mamaya na lang. Ayan. So, pag poor nutrition tayo, papansin nyo ba yon? Low energy, parang palaging pagod. Tapos even after you sleep, you still feel tired. And you also have weak immune system. Parang lagi kang may sakit. Ako naman, to be honest, parang once a year lang ako nagkakasakit. Pero meron ako mga kilala, parang every month meron silang sakit. May mga kilala ba kayong ganon? Parang every month meron silang, parang nahahawa sila every month. So next, weight problems. It can cause overweight or underweight. Unhealthy diets can lead to obesity. So also, the leading causes of death in the Philippines, complications from type 2 diabetes, heart disease, hypertension. Alam niyo ba, bentang-benta sa Pilipinas ang dialysis center as a business kasi sobrang daming chronic kidney disease. Poor nutrition din yon. Sobrang hilig sa maalat, sobrang hilig sa mga pagkain na may preservative, sobrang hilig sa mga sausawan. So poor brain function, if you have poor nutrition, you might have difficulty concentrating, memory problems, hindi mo na maalala yung mga bagay-bagay, weak bones and teeth. Parang nakikita ko yung mga anak ko pag nadadapa, parang matibay pa eh. Iiyak lang pero tatayo ulit. Pero pag yung mga medyo senior na nadadapa, delikado, di ba? Nagkaka-fracture agad. So poor growth and development affecting children and mental health issues. So narinig nyo ba yung ganyang kasabihan? Just eat right and exercise regularly. Basta kumain ka ng tama and mag-ehersisyo. May mga kaibigan ba kayong ganyan? Pag malungkot ka, ang sabihin, ako, wag ka malungkot, sumaya ka na lang. Ay, ano, hindi ka marunong? Dapat marunong ka. May mga kaibigan ba kayong gano'n? Malungkot ka. Naku, wag ka na malungkot. Dapat sumaya ka na lang. Ay, hindi ka marunong. Naku, dapat marunong ka. May mga ganong tao. Pero do you agree, all of us, from time to time, we need help? Hindi naman po ganun kadali kumain ng tama. Hindi rin ganun kadali mag-exercise lagi. Madali lang yan sabihin, pero mahirap yan gawin kasi may discipline issue, merong mental issue kung kaya mo ba yung desire, merong schedule issue, karamihan sa atin, busy parents, busy business owners, busy corporate people. Yung know-how, yung access, hindi rin siya biro. That's why we need help. So why is eating right difficult? Because we have easy access to unhealthy foods. Sa commercial, sa ref, sa supermarket, sa mga fast food, sa mga kantin, mas madali talaga bumili at mas mura ang junk food. Misleading food marketing. Maraming food na ina-advertise na healthy, hindi naman. Higher cost of health foods. Mas mahal, alam niyo ba, mas mahal ang isda. Mas mahal ang isda. Tapos yung fresh food, vegetable, quality protein, mas mahal yan. So why are food supplements important? They fill the nutrient gaps. They support overall health. Tsaka syempre, certain vitamins are hard to get just by eating the normal foods. So also, we need help during special needs, lalo na pag pregnant women, elderly individual, or kahit mga children na medyo picky eater. Di ba minsan yung mga anak natin na maliliit, parang sobrang mapili sa pagkain. Mahirap tuloy, mahirap tuloy silang pakainin ng healthy. Kadalasan yung bata, pag healthy, nandidiri siya. So it improves our well-being. So dyan papasok yung maraming peking supplement na nagkalat, marami din namang okay. So we are so fortunate that we belong to a company that has access to amazing products. Kasi superb yung science ng Nu Skin. Superb yung 6S quality process. Hindi ko na to elaborate kaya hahaba tayo. May iba pang mag-speak aside from me. So basically, ang ibig sabihin ng 6S quality process, dumadaan siya sa masugid na pagpili, pagsala, pagpatas, pare-pareho ng proseso, pag-aaral para masigurado na yung produkto mo safe, effective, na research at palaging ganon. Hindi yung minsan effective, yung next batch hindi na effective. In one word, quality. Can you type quality in the chat box? Do you believe that our products are quality? Ba dapat lang, medyo may kamahalan. So dapat lang quality talaga yung products natin. Ako okay lang ako na mahal basta masarap. Hindi mo ako mapapakain mas mapapakain mo pa ako sa mura, sa Jollibee or KFC, kaysa sa mga Fridays, Chili's, ano pa ba, ano pa ba yung mga mahal na hindi masarap, teriyaki boy, coffee, basta kahit na anong Villar na restaurant, ano ba, oh my gosh. Hindi mo ako mapapakain sa mga sa mga ganyan. Sa Tagaytay, masasarap kainan. Yan. Medyo hindi pala to Tagaytay, sa Magallanes. So, sa Lipit Coffee Farm, yan. Masarap yan. Bisita kayo doon. Breakfast at Antonio. Sa ano naman, pababa sa Kasile, Rus. Kaso bukas lang yan. Friday, Saturday. Sunday, yung mga medyo may kamahalan na hindi masarap. Farmer Stable. Ayan, naku. Hindi mo mapapakain sa ganun. Pero marami namang masarap na maganda yung na maganda yung presyo. Oy, punta kayo guys sa Salipit Coffee Farm yan. Kay Tita Pres yan. Sobrang sarap. Pero tapos hindi mahal. Oh, sobrang sarap tapos hindi mahal. Yan, punta tayo next time. Pag pupunta kami, sama kayo. Ayan, so our products are listed in the Physician's Desk Reference, PDR. So also we have access to Prism IO. So in one word, what is Prism IO? Prism IO is, in one word, validation. You can validate whether the supplements you are taking are working. You can validate whether you really have poor immune system because it measures antioxidant levels, carotenoid levels present in your tissues. It reflects your health. Kung kumakain ka ba ng tama, kung kumakain ka ng gulay, kung yung iniinom mong supplement na-absorb talaga ng katawan mo or iniihi mo lang. Mame-measure din niya kung kailangan mo sino dito ang may Prism? So, yan, kami ni Pen, may Prism. Lately, nakakarami kaming Prism business partners. So, yan, buti na lang, i-record ni Reese. So, papopost dito, mapapanood nila mamaya. Meron kaming bagong partner na pediatrician, meron kaming bagong partner na PT, may mga bago kaming partners na mga wellness center owners dahil sa Prism IO. So ako, as my main product in sharing the business, pero pag ayaw, Prism ko agad. Prism ko agad. Kung ang focus mo Prism, that's okay. Ayan. Tapos lately kami ni Pen nakabenta ng I think 200,000 worth of Pharmanex products. Si Tita President, ganon din, nakabenta 200,000 worth of products. Si Ate Jen din. So maraming maraming booming ang Prism IO business. I think si Doc Sheila din medyo maraming nabentang Prism and subscription for Pharmanex, kaya siya qualified bukas sa The Farm at San Benito, invite only ng Nu Skin for its, actually hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung event bukas ng Nu Skin sa The Farm at San Benito, pero hindi kasi ako invited, hindi ako qualified doon. Hindi ko nga gets ako. Kami ni Pen yung top 1 business growth ng Pilipinas. So, pinabalik naman nila yun. So, hindi ko gets, kami yung top 1 business growth ng buong Pilipinas. Pero, hindi kami qualified bukas. Hindi rin kami invited. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero, sige.